Welcome to video 2 for the Edge demonstration. Sorry for the quick ending on video 1. I actually tried to get the video which I wanted to show you inside the Edge app, and that didn't work out. However, you can access it on the Edge website, or I also put a link above that video on with activity 2, where you have a link to the YouTube channel of Edge. Okay, so let's start with the Edge app and the example from the Philippines. So this is the start page from my Edge app, and here are my projects. So let's go for the climate change resilient pilot house, which I already presented and which already got the certification. So I'm click on that one. So it will show the overall status, registration, and so on. So this is all done. Let's go to the sub-project. Okay, so this should show you now the details. So what I want to show you is, for example, here on the top you can see the incremental costs. Then you have the payback in years with all the changes which we have done to the building compared to the base case, and the utility cost reduction, and the base case utility cost, and these are the reduction, and so on. So as you already have seen, we reduced the building by energy consumption by 60%, water 95, and material 78. But that actually is not what I want to go into. I want to show you how to fill in the forms. So let's go on project details. This is the place where you put all the details of the project in. For example, name of the project. Everywhere where there is an asterisk, you have to fill in, because if you don't do it, you cannot save your project. So these are the lines. If you want to share it with the bank, you can choose yes, no. Let me see if it can do it. No, not here. So these are just the regular address and so on. And then here you have the review and download. So here you can actually download the project documents and the project level documents. So you can review them there. Then let's go into the sub-project details. Let me show if I can see that. So again, you put the address in, then certificate stage, is it pre-construction or post-construction? So for this one, it was post-construction, and it was an existing building, and the year of construction at the beginning was 2016, and so on. Then building utility data. This is actually a given data by Edge, and for the base case. However, if you say that's not true, you can actually change it, but you have to bring the evidence for that. And location, here, for example, it was the Philippines, and the Naga was not there, so we used the nearest city, which was Batangas. So, and then here now comes the building data. So this is design. Here is where you build or start your base case, so as a comparison. So you put the square meters without car parking, how many floors you have, floor below the ground, and the floor height. And so this is all on office, as you can see on the left side. Occupancy, how many people will be in the office or are in the office, operational hours, working days, and so on, holidays. And then the area which are occupied, so office plan, open plan, here for example the square meters, and then in percentage, open plan office. So it was given like that, and then you change it to the real size. Good. Bathrooms, and here in square meter. Okay, and then in total it should come up with a gross internal area of 72 square meter, which is the one for the Philippines. Of course, ours will be different. These will be just filled in later on when we are on the energy side. This is the orientation and the window wall ratio through. So the building system, does the building design include an AC system? So you can choose yes or no. We had no, and we also didn't have a heating system. And then you save it. If you cannot save it, then you missed 1 point with an asterisk, with a star. And then you go to the next step, which I will do in the next video.